Want a kitchen that feels like the heart of your home, warm and welcoming like a farmhouse, yet sleek and fresh with modern elegance? Picture crisp white cabinetry, a bold contrast island, open shelving filled with stylistic must-haves, and materials that blend charm with contemporary function. In this video, we'll share 10 stylish modern farmhouse kitchen ideas, from shiplap accent walls to industrial lighting, matte black hardware, and mixed wood tones, that balance rustic character with refined design. Ready to refresh your kitchen into a space your whole family and friends will love.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How does open shelving lend farmhouse charm and practicality? Open wood shelving offers that classic farmhouse vibe while keeping everyday essentials within reach. Opt for thick reclaimed or live edge boards, anchored with sturdy metal brackets in matte black or brushed brass. Flank a large window or hover above your sink for an airy, functional look. Decorate with white dishes, glass jars of pantry staples, and wooden cutting boards in various finishes to layer texture. Add a few potted herbs for greenery, and include baskets to tuck away clutter. Stacked cookbooks and pottery alongside vintage mugs add personality. The result is a kitchen that feels lived in, curated, and bright, combining pricing ease of access with expressive style. Whenever a loved one asks for a glass or dish, you can effortlessly retrieve it. This setup turns form and function into one welcoming visual statement. Comment below if you'd rock open shelves over upper cabinets. Why choose two-tone cabinetry for modern farmhouse balance? Two-tone cabinets establish visual contrast. White or light gray uppers brighten the space, while a darker island grounded in navy or charcoal anchors the layout. Pair crisp, shaker-style doors above with rich wood stain below to maintain farmhouse warmth. Highlight the island by installing it off-center, layered with mixed wood bar stools and subtle brass accents for a modern edge. The contrasting cabinet hues break up the monotony, offering dimension while upholding clean lines. A darker base handles wear from heavy use. The lighter uppers avoid visual heaviness. This two-tone strategy feels cohesive, crisp, and cozy, a thoughtful blend of old and new that defines the kitchen's heart. How do mixed material countertops elevate farmhouse kitchens? Pairing surfaces adds visual texture and separates work areas smartly. Consider marble or quartz for the main counters, durable, light, and polished, while installing a butcher block perimeter for prep zones or on the island for a lived-in look. The warmth of the wood contrasts with the sleek stone, lending a cozy farmhouse feel while retaining clean modern lines. Another option is integrating soapstone in darker tones for a moody contrast. Layering materials requires choosing complementary tones. White marble veined with gray blends with soft-toned hardwood, or warm butcher block rests beautifully alongside charcoal quartz. These intentional material combinations elevate function and charm without sacrificing durability or style. How do farmhouse sinks and integrated lighting work together? A deep apron front sink in fire clay or stainless steel is a modern farmhouse staple, practical for prep and cleanup with style to match. Above it, mount a bank of slim LED puck lights or sleek brass sconces to illuminate tasks and create mood. A single sconce on each side of a large window gives symmetry, while charming brass or bronze finishes reflect the farmhouse aesthetic. Consider recessed lighting around the sink ceiling to blend utility lighting with ambiance. The result is a bright, effective work zone that feels thoughtfully layered and aesthetically cohesive, functional and inviting for family gatherings. What role does shiplap and accent walls play here? Shiplap remains a signature farmhouse element. Use it behind open shelves, around the range hood, or on a full accent wall to add linear texture and visual depth. Installing horizontal painted shiplap in soft white, cream, or dove gray balances the crisp architecture with visual interest. Contrast it with dark grout, or ship's lanterns in matte black, or brass for modern punctuation. Accent walls in shiplap or beadboard offer character without overwhelming the space. Combine with strategic lighting and open shelves to elevate the wall into a focal point that feels classic yet current. Subtle variations in plank width can even heighten the artisanal quality of your kitchen design. Why include large tiered islands with versatile surfaces? A generous island with open shelving or stacked drawers on one side offers accessible storage, while a clean surface on the other makes for food prep, seating, or meal assembly. Incorporate contrasting wood or butcher block tops on the island with quartz edges to show off craftsmanship while delivering modern durability. Include legs or overhangs on one side to showcase wood end panels. Clip-on pendant fixtures in black matte or antique brass emphasize island boundaries. Balance scale with stools. Wicker seat or leather-backed cushion stools mix rustic and modern. Layered lighting ensures your island functions for cooking, dining, homework, or gatherings, merging farmhouse appeal with multi-use design. How do industrial-style lighting fixtures enhance the aesthetic? Go bold with oversized metal pendants above the island in black or oil-rubbed bronze. Think glass-encased pendants with cage accents, reminiscent of barn lighting. Choose layered sizes for visual impact. Pair a larger central pendant with smaller ends. Alternatively, mount a black metal bar with adjustable arms and brass shades above open shelves for directional task lighting and decorative flair. Complement with under-cabinet LEDs for prep practicality. Industrial lighting adds masculine balance to the softer farmhouse elements. Wood, textiles, greenery, bringing sophistication and versatility to your design. What impact do matte black or brass hardware finishes have? Hardware finishes can make or break farmhouse character. Matte black knobs and bar handles add contrast on white cabinetry, coordinating with lighting fixtures. Brass pulls and knobs offer warmth and tie in seamlessly with classic farmhouse tones. Mixing both picks, like black cup pulls with brass knobs, adds subtle richness and customization. Ensure consistency with the faucet and sink finish. Choose a matte black gooseneck faucet or a polished brass bridge faucet to unify the style. These details, though small, deliver refined cohesion, bridging rustic charm with sleek modernity across the cabinetry. By layering warm wood tones, mixed materials, contrast colors, industrial lighting, open shelving, functional islands, and thoughtful accents, you can design a modern farmhouse kitchen that feels polished yet lived in, sleek but always welcoming. Start with 1 or 2 ideas, see how they transform your space, and build from there. This is where family gathers, memories are made, and style meets longevity, crafted to feel timeless yet perfectly tailored for you.